If you want to go ahead and post in different platforms like Vimeo, YouTube, or Instagram, then each of the platform has its recommended format that you can use so that it posts so that the video is optimized for that particular platform and has a smooth playback. So if you were to go around over here onto preset, then you already have some platforms right here. For example, if you were to go to web right here, then you can see that there's Discord, there's Gmail, there's Vimeo, YouTube right here, as you can see that you can choose with. If you can also go to devices, and then you can see that there's separate standards for Android, Apple, Chromecast, and so forth right here. But let's say I'm looking for something like Instagram, but I don't have the Instagram preset. In that case, what I can actually do is I can go ahead and create a custom preset for it by taking Instagram as a reference. So for the social media that you're trying to post or any platform, you'll be able to see details like this. So it says a reel's resolution and size for Instagram is, it says you can upload a reel with an aspect ratio between 191 right here by 19 by 16. So anywhere in between is fine, as it says right here. But it says it should have a minimum frame rate of 30 FPS and a minimum resolution of 720 pixels. So you can go ahead and create a preset accordingly. So you can go around over here, and let's say, for example, the frame rate is 30 right here as suggested. So it didn't mention anything about format, so I can keep the format as I want right here, just like this. And then I can go around onto dimension, and it says minimum 720 right here. So this is 720 pixels, which has been maintained, as you can see right here. And then you can go ahead and save this new preset out as Instagram right here, just like this. And then what you can do is, while converting videos, you can simply go ahead and utilize this particular format itself and then export using it. So that is how you can go ahead and optimize for different social media platforms as you want, as you need, by using Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.